Welcome back guys to TradeProFX. It's around 1 a.m. and the market on gold has just opened. So I just want to make some scalping. As you can see on the current gold trend, XAUUSD. As we can see on the market, it's showing a significant down movement. And it's showing a very big drop, and there is a noticeable gap here, as you can see, which could indicate that a continuation of this downtrend or possibly a reversal. So we normally say gaps can often be signs of the market volatility. So we normally keep the eye on this. Yes, I'm picking some buy trades because I believe at that point, under some analysis, I can see there will be a small pullback. So this pullback, I just scalp very fast and then I exit since we can see it's a down movement. Then if you're interested, by the way, in these tailored trading sessions on the Forex, that's the MT5. We normally also trade the synthetic markets on the MT5. We are currently offering account management services with a minimum trading capital of 150 USD. That's the minimum. So get in touch through the link on the bio or my contacts on the bio. You can contact me to learn more from starting from this week. So in case you are interested, and additionally we have the VVIP group where you can get the most trade signals. That's for around 2 months. It is 75 USD. You can get access for that for 2 months on the MT5 signals on. Do not miss what I'm saying, not the digits. MT5, that's the Forex or the MetaTrader 5 trading markets. And remember, successful trading takes strategy and insights. So to join us, it's just for a brighter future and a trading future. So currently, I'm just scalping now. I have a small USD, 80 USD. So I'm keeping an eye on this at this movement. This is scalping. So I want just to scalp and then exit the market before it proceeds to the downside, because of the gap. It doesn't necessarily say that it will move up. So what you do, you make scalping your game as if you know you have a small account. So that's what I'm trying to do, and that's why I have entered at that point. So you can see currently we are moving very well. So regarding maybe someone who has had me talk about the gap, remember this is not the fair value gap, this is the volume gap. And regarding this gap, this market is called a market opening gap, and gaps occur when the market opens at significantly different price than it closed at the previous session. So you can see on the top part there, it previously closed at a previous session and then has opened with a very big gap. Today is on Monday, the date 12/2025. So in case you have your charts, you can check. You can see we are almost at a good price. So I'll scalp. Let me see the best time to exit this market. Let me just give it some time as we talk about it. So I was talking about the gap. The gap often often a very big signal. So it can show the signal of a continuous or a continued market downside. So in the direction of the gap, or maybe you can decide, you can do your analysis and maybe aim for a potential reversal. But for currently, we believe that it will first go downwards. So in this case, the gap you can see signify an ongoing downtrend or an area of lower liquidity. But if you know you are a good scalper, we have the swing traders and the scalpers. Currently, I'm a scalper, so what I'm doing, found an entry. That's what I'm trying to scoop the amounts, and then I first scalp a bit, and then I exit. So kindly remember that this is XAUUSD. You can also trade it on the derivative broker. So it's very simple. if you know you have an account and you don't know that you can go to the MT5, you can also trade. So as I've talked about the account management trading opportunities, yes, remember that as I've said, the minimum capital required is 150, and you can contact me on the DM. So that's just to help you traders maybe get some insights about the market movements with professional account management. So those looking to dive into MT5 and escape the digits part, maybe this is the best thing for you. If you have been losing so much on the digits, remember this is something that you need some analysis so that you can win well. So for those looking for the MT5 charts for the forex and the synthetic markets, that's the markets like volatility 150 1S. The second market I trade is volatility 10 index. Another market I trade is the volatility 75 index, and the last one is volatility 25 index. Those are the markets that I deal with. So in case you are interested, you want more to get some knowledge, so and a personalized account management service, those for interested individuals should reach out on via my contacts on the bio, and keep in touch. You can see it's almost hitting the highest high, but I don't think it will reach at that point. So it might now regain a momentum to fill these fair value gaps now which have been created. So I guess I can exit. So I can exit because despite me scalping, it doesn't necessarily it will reach, because if you know you are a good trader, remember we normally talk of the market trend. Your friend is the market trend. So in case you don't know about all those things, you can contact and we will talk about that. So you can see the market trend now is bearish, but we don't want to stay so much on this scalping buying concept currently. So I'm just scalping a bit. So the current, remember, the market is bearish, and the current price you can see where it's around. So consistent lower highs and lower lows, confirming it's a downtrend. You can see it has started regaining its direction. So it's the best time now to think of exiting. So remember that gap, as I've told you, there is a way to trade it. With that, let me cross this. Bye.